soft snowfall, a wide view of Antarctica. A penguin colony waddles happily. Pipkin stands apart, shivering and hiding from the snow. Snow begins falling heavily. Pipkin runs into his little ice cave, arranging his pebble collection. Clouds turn dark, winds grow stronger, penguins prepare for a storm. Baby penguin Pebby gets caught in the storm, being pushed toward a cliff. Pipkin bravely slides on his belly for the first time to rescue Pebby. Pipkin grabs Pebby's flipper just before she falls. Pipkin brings Pebby back to the colony. Penguins cheer. Penguins huddle together warmly through the night. Pebby tells Pipkin he was brave. Pipkin realizes courage is stronger than fear. Pipkin finally plays in snow, sliding, rolling, laughing. A big event. Penguins line up on a giant snowy hill. Pipkin slides fast, snow spraying behind him. Pipkin jumps off a snow bump and splashes into icy water. Pipkin receives a silver pebble for bravery. Years later, Pipkin tells young penguins the story of courage. Thank you for watching. Like the video. Subscribe for more stories.